Hey guys, this is getting more interesting and tougher as well. A strange drama is playing out in a faraway United States District Court for the Northern District of Eastern Division courtroom, where President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is currently fighting tooth and nail to ensure that his result from the Chicago State University CSU is not released to the People's Democratic Party presidential candidate Atiku Abubakar. Some observers think it is ridiculous that instead of floating his Chicago Varsity results, President Tinubu is blocking it from Nigerians in particular and the world at large. The Northern District Court had ruled on Tuesday that it has jurisdiction in the case instituted by the PDP presidential candidate, thereby setting a stage for the final judgment. Tinubu is resisting efforts to have his academic records at the Chicago State University released, when it would have been expected that he would be proud to brandish his academic records to silence his opponents. Interestingly, evidence already brought into the public domain by a Nigerian journalist and founder of the West African Week journal, Mr. David Handai, spells doom for Jagaban. One of the shocking revelations obtained from the document is that the real Bola Tinubu may actually be a she, and the main product that has comfortably presided over the affairs of Lagos State for decades. Meanwhile, Tinubu may have another axe to grind with Nigerians, as the National Youth Service Corps NYSC discharge certificate bear the name Bola Adekunle Tinubu instead of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. It could be recalled that the Presidential Election Petitions Court had admitted certificate copies of Tinubu's academic and work record tendered by PDP and his candidate Atiku Abubakar. The PDP had brought the document through their subpoenaed witness Mike Ekenero Ebo Esquire, who noted that the documents were purportedly obtained by Tinubu. Now back to the matter in contention. After and having won a presidential election as declared by the country's electoral umpire, the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) on March 1st, 2023, it made no practical sense to any logical mind that Tinubu will be fighting fantastically to not have the records released, albeit mysteriously. At this point, however, whatever his reason is may have gone down the drain, as the court has scaled the first legal hurdle on its part, ruling that it has jurisdiction to entertain the case. Someone suggested that Atiku Abubakar may have seen what does not appear to the original eyes as a former player in the All Progressive Congress (APC), prompting him to dive deeper into this unbridled quest to unmask Tinubu using the instrumentality of the U.S. court, as he seems to have defined the fortress of Nigerian courts. So it was that the Northern District Illinois court expressed satisfaction with Abubakar as an interested person for meeting the legal conditions for jurisdiction and venue in requesting the court to order the discovery of documents and testimony for use in a foreign proceedings. The court agreed that the order for discovering he sought was for use in Abubakar v. INEC, and they all pending in the Nigerian Court of Appeal, while the respondent, the CSU, is a public university established in Chicago and existing under the laws of Illinois, with principal campus and offices located within the Illinois district. Article: it could be noted requested for any document of objects, tangible or tangible, from which information may be derived belonging to Tinubu. This will include assignments, periodicals, coursework, photographs, text message, agreement, correspondence, electronic or other video recording of any type, etc., and electronic data which must be produced with all their metadata data and the name of the custodians. Article also asks for all documents produced by Chicago State University in response to any request by subpoena or otherwise by Mr. Tinubu or any other person for Chicago State University records relating to Mr. Tinubu. He even sought the certification they use on all documents and the process of the certification, the drafts of the certification, and all communications to from or within the Chicago State University on the certifications, and all documents sufficient to reflect the format, content, and certifications of the CSU diplomas issued by the Chicago State University for BS degrees from 1979, including documents sufficient to demonstrate any modifications to the format, content, and certification of Chicago State University diploma from 1979 to the present. So guys, let's hear from you. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you.